Okay, hello everyone. Habagat is here in Baguio City. July 11, 2026. So, ganito na naman. Ulan ng ulan. Keep safe and stay dry everyone. Pakita ko yung ibang mga view. Okay, best walk sleepers pwede nyong bilhin dito sa video. Ito, Habagat. Oops, hindi ko mabuksan. Habagat is here, Baguio City. This is a view from our home in Middle Quarry. Ayan. View from our home here in Middle Quarry. Habagat is here. Kahapon pa ulan ng ulan. I'm not sure kung yung Typhoon Inday or Habagat. Yun yung sabi nila, Habagat. Yan yung building ng UC na ginagawa nila. UC ata yan. School. University of the Cordilleras. So, ito naman, City Engineer's Office. Ito, CDRRMC. Yun is Hotel Venice, Burnham. May Hotel Venice Abanao din. May Hotel Venice Session Road. So, yan na, lumalakas na ulit. Yun is Baguio City Hall. Oops. Yun. So, in a few days, Saturday ngayon, Sunday, Monday, punta ulit tayo sa flag raising ceremony. Take care everyone. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us.